from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
As-salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, which one is better for night prayers? Holding the mushaf and reciting long surahs with less khushu, or reciting the same two surah out of memory with more khushu? Barakallahu fikum.
Ufikum barakallah. This is a question that so many people ask frequently in Ramadan. What is best, quality or quantity? Now, scholars differ, but the most authentic opinion that is logical, and according to the scholars as well, is that quality always comes first. Because the Prophet ﷺ told us about the Khawarij, and he told us how we resent and look down upon our own forms of worship compared to theirs. So they prolong their salat, they fast long days, where we would think that, what are we compared to them? And they recite the Quran day in, day out. And the Prophet said their Quran does not exceed their throats, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Which means that quality is not essential here. Rather, quality is. Quantity is not essential. It has no value. The Prophet said it's zero. Quality is what counts. When you ponder upon one ayah, repeating it like the Prophet used to do, alayhi salam, with the dua of Prophet Isa and Prophet Ibrahim, in tu'adhibhum fa innahum ibaduk. And he keeps on repeating it and pondering upon it. This is quality. Now, in Ramadan, there are so many reports that the Salaf used to recite a lot of the Quran, 10 times, 20 times. Assuming these reports are valid and correct, they used to ponder on what they recite because they knew the meanings of it. So they went for quality and quantity. For us, it is best for us to recite and ponder with quality rather than just focus on the quantity. Revising only two surahs from your memory at times may work for a day or two, but then a person would become habitual with it, and it would become standards that he doesn't pay attention to. That's why reading it from the Quran with trying to ponder upon the verses and to ask Allah for forgiveness when you pass by an ayah of hope and mercy, and ask Allah for refuge when you pass by an ayah of torment, that would be way better, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. We have a short break. Stay tuned.